If you want to switch the language on Epic Games, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Whether your launcher opened in the wrong language or you just want to change it to something more comfortable, this is an easy fix inside the Epic Games launcher. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer and make sure you're signed in. Once the launcher is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click your profile icon. This is where your account and launcher settings are located. After you click your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings. In most cases, this will be the second option in the list. This will take you to the launcher settings page where you can control different preferences for Epic Games. Now, once you're in Settings, look for the language option. You should see a drop-down menu that lets you choose a new language for the launcher. Click that menu and browse through the available language options. Select the language you want Epic Games to use. After selecting your preferred language, the launcher will usually ask you to restart. That's because the change needs to reload the application to fully apply the new language setting. Click Restart Now to confirm. The Epic Games launcher will close and reopen automatically. When it comes back up, the interface should now be in the language you selected. If it doesn't change immediately, give it a moment to fully reload and then check the settings again to make sure the correct language was selected. And that's it. You've successfully switched the language on Epic Games. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make the launcher much easier to use if you prefer another language. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more how-to videos, and leave a comment if you want help with anything else in Epic Games or other gaming apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.